Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called and where was it? Oh, here, select language. And once you find the select language option, tap on it. As you can see, by default it's enabled to follow the application on the phone that your watch is paired with, but you can disable it. And here you can scroll through the list of languages. And once you find the language you would like to use, you can simply tap on it to select it and apply it. And the language will be applied. And then you can press the select button to go back to watch face. I'm just gonna turn on this option and then go back. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.